Hello and welcome. For so many couples who dream of that intimate, truly bespoke elopement, the shores of Oahu are, well, they're just an unrivaled backdrop. It's a place where every single detail should feel as perfect and as intentional as your love story itself. But beyond all the beauty, there's one crucial detail that makes sure your perfect day is recognized all over the world. And that is exactly what we're going to dive into.
You've already pictured it, haven't you? A curated ceremony that feels completely personal, incredibly meaningful, and totally focused on your commitment. Because this isn't just a wedding, it's the very beginning of your story together. And that beginning deserves to be unforgettable, of course, but also completely seamless, from the second you say I do to the moment you arrive back home.
Now, for our wonderful couples joining us from all around the globe, this is a really big question, and it's an important one. You want to be absolutely certain that the legal bond you create here on our beautiful island is going to be honored and valid in your home country. Think of it not as a hurdle, but just a key piece of the puzzle we need to solve for a perfectly planned international wedding.
And the answer to that big question, it really comes down to one important word: apostille. Now I know, it sounds a little technical, right? But the absolute simplest way to think of it is like an international passport, but for your marriage certificate. It's an official certification that basically tells other countries, yep, this document is authentic, it's valid, and it's 100% legally binding. It truly is the key that unlocks global recognition for your marriage.
And what's so important to understand is that this isn't just some local rule we have here. The apostille is the internationally agreed upon standard. It was actually established by the Hague Convention way back in 1961. This global treaty was created for one reason: to simplify how documents are authenticated for use in other countries. So it provides this incredible layer of authority and, honestly, complete peace of mind.
Okay, so we know the process is standardized, but what does it actually look like here for a marriage on Oahu? Getting this essential document involves a pretty specific, multi-step government process. Let's take a look at it. So if you were doing this yourself, the official journey has 3 main stops. First, you have to get a brand new, certified copy of your marriage certificate, and it has to come directly from the Hawaii Department of Health. Then, sometimes a signature might need to be authenticated. And finally, that document has to be submitted to the Hawaii Lieutenant Governor's office. They're the ones who provide that final official apostille stamp.
So, the main point here is that even though the path is laid out, trying to navigate multiple state departments, especially when you're overseas, well, it can get complex. It can be really time-consuming. But for anyone who wants a truly stress-free experience, there is a much more elegant and, frankly, seamless way to handle all of this.
And this slide just illustrates the difference perfectly. You've got 2 paths. The standard path means you're managing it all yourself, which, believe me, can often take 3 months or even longer. Then you have the curated path. This gives you one single expert point of contact who takes care of everything. It transforms what can be a really lengthy process into this swift, effortless experience that's done in just 1 to 2 weeks.
Let's just look at that visually for a second. We are talking about a difference of 10 weeks, maybe more. And this isn't just about saving time. It's about preserving that joy, that tranquility of your post-wedding bliss. It's really the peace of mind you get from knowing every single detail is being perfected for you, long after you've left our beautiful shores. This is what a curated experience is all about. It's making sure that your focus stays right where it should be, on the intentional, beautiful, and profound commitment you're making to each other. When you have expert guidance, you get seamless legal recognition. And that gives you your time back to just enjoy the moment. At the end of the day, the philosophy is simple. Let us handle the paperwork so you can focus on the poetry of your day. This is the exact principle that guides Reverend James Chun and the entire Hawaii Wedding Studio team. With them, you're not just booking an officiant, you're truly investing in an unrivaled, stress-free experience from the very beginning to the very end.
And that philosophy comes directly from Reverend James Chun himself. With decades of experience, he really is the gold standard for expertly managed island ceremonies. His whole approach is built on one thing: making sure your ceremony is not only memorable and heartfelt, but also completely 100% free of any logistical stress.
So if you're ready to start planning your own intentional and seamless Oahu elopement, and you want to know that every detail, including that international legal recognition, is going to be handled with expert care, well, your journey starts right here.
I highly, highly recommend you visit HawaiiWeddingMinister.com to explore their bespoke planning experience. And for some daily inspiration from our gorgeous island, make sure you're following @Oahu Minister on Instagram. All the links are right there in the description below. And of course, for more essential tips just like this, we'd love it if you'd like this explainer and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.